Hi everyone, I'm Husna and you're welcome to Zaara Ki Duniya. In today's video, I'm going to share how to make Khasta Kachori with delicious onion fillings. Let's get started. To prepare the stuffing, take 1.5 tablespoon oil in a kadhai or pan and heat it. Once the oil is hot, add 1 tablespoon cumin, 3 medium-sized onions. Keep the flame high and fry the onions until golden brown. This may take some time depending on the quantity of the onions. Next, add half teaspoon crushed fennels, that is saunf, 1.5 teaspoon coriander powder, 1/4 teaspoon turmeric, that is haldi, and fry for 5 to 7 seconds. Then add 1.5 teaspoon red chilli powder, 1 teaspoon garam masala. You may increase or decrease the quantity of red chilli powder depending on your taste. Next, add 4 tablespoon corn flour and some salt as per taste. Keeping the flame between low to medium, roast this mixture for approximately 5 minutes and add some salt as per taste again. Then add a little water. Keep the flame low and cover the mixture and let it cook for 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, switch off the flame and cover this mixture and keep it aside. Let's make the kachori dough. For that we need 2 cups of all-purpose flour or maida, 1/4 teaspoon salt. Mix the salt and maida well. Next add 3 tablespoon ghee. Combine ghee and maida really well and make a soft dough. Make sure that the dough is not stiff. If you need it very stiff, the kachoris will open while you fry them. After 10 minutes, knead the dough for a minute. Next, I'm going to divide this dough into small equal size portions. So after dividing, I counted and the count is 12. Let's move to the next step. After dividing the dough, I'm dividing the mixture into equal 12 portions. It would make it very easier for you to prepare your kachoris once you divide the dough and the mixture into smaller portions. So let's move to the next step. Take a portion of the dough, flatten it, and knead it really well for a few seconds. And then start pressing with your fingers like this. Then place one stuffing ball and bring the sides together and seal the kachori really well. And gently flatten it. I'm not going to flatten it a lot. Now heat the oil at medium flame, and as soon as it's hot, lower the flame and drop in the kachoris. Fry the kachoris at low flame, keep turning them in between. You should be very patient while frying the kachoris or samosas. Take the kachoris out once they turn golden brown in color. So here I have fried a few. These aren't 12 in numbers, but you will get 12 mini kachoris with this recipe. The kachori has turned out really nice and flaky on the outside. Look how nice and flaky this has turned out. You can store these for 2 to 3 days in an airtight container since we have used onions in this. Thank you so much for watching. Enjoy.